people, but, you know. He said, I said, I can write a song about anything. And he said, you could write a song about his truck. And he has I have a 21 Tundra, which is a man's truck. He's got the 22 V6 twin turbo, or whatever it is. So we wrote a song called Twin Turbo. And it's in A and it starts by me. We're all together, all of us. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Twin turbo. Vroom, vroom. Twin turbo.